Are you overwhelmed by the idea of creating your own world? Or did you start already but are in dire need of some inspiration? Then make sure to keep watching. Today, we're embarking on an exciting series that will guide you through the intricate process of world building. From laying the cosmic foundations to populating your world with unique characters, each video in this series will cover a key aspect of bringing a fictional world to life. Hi everyone, my name is Sasha, and this video is part of my ongoing deep dive into the realms of storytelling, world building, and fantasy writing. Crafting a world that feels real and immersive is a challenging yet incredibly rewarding endeavor. In this series, I will share with you my expertise and methods from more than 20 years of passionate world building. Next to theoretical discussions, I will provide actionable steps, inspirational examples, and even present my own world, Alitera, as a case study. So let's dive in and start creating. Have you ever stood at the brink of creation wondering where to begin with your world? This is where the magic of conceptualization comes into play. Every great world in literature, film, or gaming starts as a mere idea, a spark that ignites the imagination and forms the foundation of an entire universe. Consider the vast range of possibilities when conceptualizing a world. You might envision a high fantasy realm where dragons rule the skies and magic weaves through the fabrics of society. Or perhaps a dystopian future where technology has reshaped humanity's destiny for better or worse. Your concept could even be as specific as a city hidden within an enchanted forest, harboring secrets from ancient times. The scope of your concept can vary widely, but its importance remains paramount. It sets the stage for everything that unfolds in your world. Take my world Alitera for example. The initial spark for this world came from a blend of the cruel, monster-filled landscapes of The Witcher and the rich, character-driven narratives of Game of Thrones. These inspirations came together to create a world where every corner holds the potential for captivating adventures. Imagine a small village on the outskirts of a kingdom, its inhabitants living in fear of a mysterious creature lurking nearby. Contrast this with a bustling city where political intrigue and the machinations of powerful mages shape the fate of the realm. This mix of localized intimate stories and grand political narratives all stemmed from that initial concept. A world brimming with danger, intrigue, and a diverse array of monsters and characters. As we embark on this world building journey together, remember that your world's concept is the guiding star. It's not just a starting point, but also the thread that connects every element of your creation. From vast landscapes to intimate character arcs, your concept will shape the very essence of your world. So as you begin to dream up your world, consider the boundless possibilities. Let your imagination run wild and allow that initial spark to guide you. As we delve deeper into the world of creation, it's crucial to talk about setting goals and establishing clear expectations for your world building journey. This is where you define what you want to achieve with your world and set the parameters for your creative endeavor. Setting goals in world building isn't just about deciding whether you're crafting a world for a novel, a tabletop game, or for the sheer joy of creation. It's also about understanding the scope and scale of your world. Are you aiming to create an expansive universe with multiple interconnected stories and settings, or are you focusing on a single detailed location with a rich backstory? Each goal comes with its own unique challenges and requirements, and recognizing these early on will guide your process effectively. Take Alitera again for example. From the outset, the purpose of this world was to accommodate a wide variety of stories, ranging from localized, intimate narratives to sprawling epic fantasy series. This goal shaped its development, influencing everything from the complexity of its geography to the diversity of its cultures and characters. If you're creating a world for a novel, your focus might be on developing a setting that supports and enhances your narrative. It might involve deep character backstories, specific geographical settings, and cultural details that add depth to your story. On the other hand, world building for a game could require you to think about interactive elements, player engagement, and adaptable storylines that evolve with gameplay. In this series, we'll explore fundamental world-building methods, offering insights and techniques for any goal. It is also important to set realistic expectations though. World-building is a process that can be as vast and time-consuming as it is rewarding. It requires patience, research, and a lot of creativity. There might be moments of frustration or creative blocks, but remember, every detail you add, no matter how small, contributes to the richness of your world. So as we move forward, think about what you want to achieve with your world. Consider the scale, the level of detail, and the type of stories you want to tell. This will not only help you to stay focused, but also ensure that your world building journey is a fulfilling one. Now, if you found anything useful in the video so far, please consider giving it a like to help me grow this channel. Thank you. Once you have a clear concept and goals for your world, the next vital step is choosing a genre. What you select here will significantly influence the shape and direction of your world. It's like choosing the canvas and color palette for your masterpiece. Whether it's the mystical realms of fantasy, the boundless frontiers of science fiction, or a unique blend of both, your genre choice lays the groundwork for the world you're about to create. But why is genre so important, you might ask? And the answer is because it defines the rules of your world. In a high fantasy setting, magic might be a common element shaping societies and landscapes. In a science fiction world, technology could be the driving force, influencing development and culture. Each genre brings with it a set of expectations and tropes that can both inspire and guide your world building process. Let's consider Alitera as our example. The decision to anchor it in a fantasy setting opened up a realm of possibilities. It allowed for the creation of diverse landscapes populated by various creatures and races, each with their own unique histories and cultures. It also set the stage for introducing elements such as magic and mystery, both integral to the fabric of Alitera's universe. But choosing a genre is just the beginning. The themes you weave into your world are what give it depth and meaning. Themes are the underlying messages or ideas that you explore through your world and its narratives. They can be as straightforward as the classic battle between good and evil, or as complex as the nuances of political intrigue and power dynamics. In Alitera, themes like heroism, exploration, and the struggle for survival play significant roles. These themes not only add richness to the narrative, but also influence character development and plot progression. They make the world more than just a backdrop. They turn it into a living, breathing entity with stories that resonate on a deeper level. As you choose your genre and develop your themes, think about the kind of stories you want to tell and the experiences you want to create for your audience. Your choices here will set the tone for everything that comes next in your world building journey. One aspect that is also present in many parts of world building is the necessity to name things. For more about that topic, check out the video at the top where I share practical tips as well as my unique essence naming method. From here, it's time to take a step back and look at the world building process as a whole. This overview will also give you a bird's eye view of the journey we're about to embark on together throughout this series. In general, world building is a layered and complex process, akin to weaving a tapestry. It involves intricately stitching together various elements to create a cohesive and immersive world. First, we delve into the creation of the universe, which involves crafting the cosmic origins of your world. This could include detailing the formation of celestial bodies, the nature of the cosmos, and any mythological events that shape the world's history. It's about painting a picture of the universe that your world inhabits, setting the stage for all that follows. Next, we move on to geography, the physical layout of your world. This is where we map out continents, oceans, mountains, and other geographical features. Geography is more than just a backdrop. It influences the culture, history, and stories of your world. We'll explore how geographical elements impact the narrative and the lives of those who inhabit your world. From here, we'll dive into the development of races and ethnic groups. This involves creating diverse cultures, each with their own traits, histories, and ways of life. It's about populating your world with beings who bring it to life, each adding their unique flavor to the world's diversity. Then we'll focus on flora and fauna. This is where you get to be truly creative, designing unique plants and creatures that inhabit your world. From towering trees that touch the skies to mythical beasts that roam the lands, this stage is about adding vibrancy and life to your world. Following that, we delve into the realms of history and lore. Here we weave the past events, legends, and myths that form the backbone of your world. History is what gives depth to your world, informing the present and shaping the future. Next, we'll then explore the magic systems and technology of your world. Whether your world is powered by mystical forces, advanced technology, or a combination of both, these segments will guide you in creating coherent systems that integrate seamlessly into your world. And of course, no world is complete without its individual characters. We'll discuss how to create compelling characters who are not only products of your world, but also shape it through their actions and experiences. At the very end, we'll cover how to bring realism and detail into your world. This involves looking at the economic, political, and daily life aspects that make your world relatable and believable. But for now, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Have a great day, and see you in the next one.